Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, we got a lot to get to with this forecast here, including what everyone's talking about, that big possible storm by the end of the week. So let's dive right into it. I want to start with first what we know for sure. And that is the fact that we can expect some accumulating snow, which will be widespread throughout the area at some point later in the week, most likely from Wednesday on. We also know that winds will be on the increase in a big way, especially once those systems get closer to the area. We could have wind gusts 30, 40 miles an hour by the end of the week. And travel in some portions of the country, including our area, will definitely be impacted. It's kind of a windshield wiper forecast because if you watch the computer models, they're going to go back and forth all week like windshield wipers. What we still don't know is where the heaviest snow will set up, how long it will last, and as I said, where it will be, and then the exact timing. Does it start Thursday night? Does it wait until Friday? Does it start earlier in the day on Friday or Thursday? All things we will be fine-tuning as the storms get closer to the area. Right now, though, things are pleasant. 44 in the capital city. You're at 39 in Minot. Cooler up near the Turtle Mountains and to the northeast, and that's important. They're going to get some snow tonight, which I'll touch on here in a second. 34 in both Bowman and Hettinger to the southwest. And you can see those winds are gusty. These are sustained out of the west at between 20 and 25 miles an hour, and gusts tonight are gusting around 35 miles an hour. We are watching a clipper system to the north that's bringing a rain-snow mix now to areas to the east of the Magic City. This will be changing over to snow as we go through the night, and it looks like the best accumulations will be in Rowlett and Bottineau County. The main slug of moisture should stay across the international border, but we will have some snow move through. Again, I'll get to the accumulations here in a second, but elevation will play a key part tonight, and as you get away from Bottineau and Rugby County or Rowlett County, that's where those accumulations drop off substantially. Here's that clipper. It'll move through in the overnight hours, and we'll quickly get out of here. And then if you're doing travel this upcoming week for the holiday, we're going to be watching this system. That'll be making a beeline for basically, let's say Milwaukee, Wisconsin here. This is Wednesday morning. Another big-time snowstorm on the backside of this. They could expect well over a foot of snow in places like Madison and just outside of the Milwaukee area. That storm will get out of here, and we'll start to watch this late week storm. You can see it developing over Colorado, and that will move toward southeastern South Dakota. And you can see a large shield of precipitation on the north and west side of that storm. And some of that snow could be heavy at times. Again, don't pay attention to the exact placement right now because it will move all over the place as the models fine-tune the forecast. In terms of that snow tonight, most places will see an inch or less. But as I said, Bottineau and Rowlett counties, that's where you can expect 3, 4, even 5 inches depending on your elevation. We'll zoom it in here, mostly in the Turtle Mountains, Bottineau, Lake Metagoshi, the Peace Gardens. Those are the best chances for appreciable accumulations. So your forecast tonight for the capital city, a pleasant one, still above average. We should be about 15 this time of the year. 29 degrees, can't rule out a couple of flurries as you wake up tomorrow morning as that system continues to pass by. Meanwhile, in the Magic City, about the same thing. 29 degrees, the heavier snow will be to the north and east of the Magic City, where, as I said, they could see 3 to 5 inches in some locations. Here's your 3-day forecast for Dickinson. You can see mostly cloudy Monday, Tuesday, and then some snow developing possibly late on Wednesday with that system moving in from the south. Williston, about the same thing, a couple of morning flurries for your Monday. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, and then snow developing Wednesday after dark. Your extended forecast for Bismarck, there's a nice start to the week, and then there's the snow for Thanksgiving possibly, and then that snow could linger. This could be one of those storm systems that hangs around like it did in October, where it slows down as it gets to our area. But again, as we take a look at the Minot extended forecast, we have 4 or 5 days to hammer out the details. Don't cancel your plans yet. But Renee, if you are heading out of town and expecting to come back to Bismarck later in the weekend, your travel plans could be severely impacted one way or the other.
All right. Thank you so much, Robert. And keep with us for the latest in weather updates. Coming up next in sports, with fall sports coming to a close, there's still plenty of top plays to choose from as the winter season kicks off.